Okay, so here we have Jolie's puppies, Lara, which is the colored one, and Lux, who's walking out of the picture. The little boy. Come on, Lux, come back in. Come play with Liliana.
Yes. All right. What is this? What is this? Some balls. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, it's so cute. We say we're so cute. Yes, we are. Watch her. She'll come tumbling off of there. They're 4 weeks old, about 4.5 weeks old, actually. They're following you. Cute.
Jojo, don't bark, please. Please. Hey, hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Lux, come on. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm ready.
I love their little barks. So cute. We had Lux up on the grooming table taking pictures, and I told Liliana, stand him up. I want a picture of him standing. And she'd stand him up, he'd look at us, bark at us, and then take off running. We'd have to catch him.
Okay.
Just full of spirit.
Okay. I'm not doing anything. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. See, I'm scared. I'm not playing in the living room. I have my place. Yeah. My playpen. This is too big for you? Yeah. It's too big for you? What is this? Oh.
Is that Lux making all that noise? He's a talker. What, Lux? What do you think? Aww. He says, I'll give you kisses. All right, so there you have Jolie's puppies, 4 weeks old.